What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a very special unboxing, but before we start this video, I just want to give a big shout out to you guys for always supporting this channel, supporting me and Christine. You guys are the best. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already, and let's get into this. Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this right here. This just came in the mail. So we're gonna open this and test fit them on the car. I've been debating it for a while if I wanted to go wide body on this car, because the emits, they do fit on the stock fenders or the stock pulled fenders as it is, but I do have to run a lot of camber just to get them to fit. And since I started drifting this car, I don't want to run too much camber. Like, I want it to be functional in a sense. So I bought some wide body flares. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like. Now, they will be molded in, I believe, but I want to test fit because I want to make sure all the lines match up. Now, I really like this fender vent that I did here. I'm trying to find a way to get this fenders to work with the actual flares. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, just to get a rough idea of how I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing right now.
So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me.
Yo. So these fender flares are gonna be from Fiberglass Mafia. I ordered them because they're a little bit different look than the typical wide bodies that everybody has. So hopefully they look all right on the car. I'm gonna make it work regardless. Plus they weren't too bad of a price. I believe they're about $4.50 for all 4 fenders. So, and it took about 3.5 weeks to come in. We're gonna go ahead and fit them on the car right now. Alright, we got that one. Alright, so I'm assuming these are the two. Okay, so I know that this is gonna be for the passenger side because it has the gas cap thing. So that means that this is gonna be for the driver's side. Alright y'all, so that is gonna be the rear fender right there. Alright, so let's try to figure out which ones are gonna be the fronts on this side. I think it's this one. No, I think it's this one. Is it this one? So that should be how it's probably gonna look right here. something like this. Damn, that's gonna look so sick. And the great thing about this is I might be able to use this fender. I just might have to like cut this part a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm thinking that the emits might need a rebarrel or just a small spacer, so we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and test fit the car, the wheels on the car right now, so you can get a better idea what we're working with. So this is gonna be the fitment when it's up in the air or aired up. The front does have that 1/30 mil spacer, I believe it is, and it'll fit with camber. I just put the 1.5 inch spacer on the rear. So now we're gonna go ahead and air it out, or Christine's gonna air it out, and then we're gonna see how the fitment's gonna be on the back with the actual spacers in. I'll do manual mode, yeah? Manual mode. Okay, go. More. There. Alright, so the fender sits on the lip, or the fender sits on the tire, so that's as far as it'll go down. But from what I'm seeing is it might be perfect fitment for when this comes down. Again, I'll be taking out a little bit more camber in here. There's still a couple degrees negative camber in the rear, so that has to be taken out, and then it should be perfect in the back. So now we're gonna check out the front. Okay, come down. There, that's it. And again, the front is like pretty much perfect. Alright guys, so this is going to be the second part of our function informed build right here. I'm going to save this for another video, but get excited.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is going to be the next phase of the car. As you guys know, the fronts are going to be 5-inch lips right now, and the rears are 6-inch lips. I will be rebarreling them just because I don't want to run spacers on the emits, but for now that's going to have to be done just to get the fitment that I want. I'm kind of going for like a stance slash drift car, more like a street car in a sense. So I'm excited. Let me know what color you guys want to see, because I do want to repaint the car, a full repaint color change. I just haven't figured out which color I'm going for. I do have a couple in mind, but I'm not going to tell you guys. I want to see what you guys think I should paint the color of the car. I already asked on Instagram, and a lot of people said I should paint it blue. Some people said I should paint it like kind of like the same color as my S14, and there's a bunch of different styles and colors that people are suggesting. So I want to know what you guys want to do. Drop it down in the comment section below, and hopefully I might choose your color. But yeah, I have a lot of parts coming in the mail. This is gonna be like the form part of it. I have more function parts, like suspension parts and stuff, coming in soon. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video. It helps other people find my videos. And thank you guys so much for just supporting us as always. Again, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for rocking with us, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace out and stay good.